Let's start. Today we will learn about the subscript and superscript tags. This is our HTML code. The superscript tag writes a text half a line above the normal text. And subscript tag writes a text half a line below the normal text. In this line, I want to write the chemical formula of water, which H2O, where the 2 appears below H, so we have used the subscript tag over here. In this line, I want to write a square of 2 equals 4, where the square appears above the 2, so we have used the superscript tag over here. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, the 2 in H2O appears as a subscript. And the square in 2 squares appears above 2 as a superscript. So that's it. That's how you can use the subscript and superscript tags in HTML. Thank you.